Hello everyone, today we shall discuss exercise 2.2 question number 2. Some pictures A to C are given below. Tell which of them show 3 into 1 by 3 is equal to 3 by 5, 2 into 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 and 3 into 3 by 4 is equal to 2 whole 1 by 4. Right. Let us solve this problem. Here you see there are out of 3 parts, one part is shaded. That is 1 by and total is 3 part 1 by 3 plus this one also you see that one part is shaded and there are 3 parts, that is 1 by 3. That is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, that means 2 into 1 by 3. Here is 2 into 1 by 3. Right? And that is equal to 2 1 2 by 3. In right side also you see the 2 parts are shaded out of 3. So it will be 2 by 3. Right? That means 2 into 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. This is second case. This one. Right? Now case B. Here you see 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of 4 parts, 3 parts are shaded. That means it is 3 by 4. 3 by 4. It is also 1, 2, 3. 3 parts are shaded. It is also 3 by 4. And here also 1, 2, 3. 3 parts are shaded. It is also 3 by 4. If we add all the numbers, that is 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4, that is 1, 2, 3. That is equal to 3 into 3 by 4. Equal to 3 into 3 by 4. Into 3 by 4. Right? And that comes to, what is the value? 3 3 is 9 by 4. This is 9 by 4. Now if we divide 9 by 4, if we divide 9 by 4, that comes to 4 2 is 8. That is 2 whole 1 by 4. That comes to 2 whole 1 by 4. Here in this case you see, here that is a 9 by 4 is equal to 2 whole 1 by 4. Right? Or you can have 3 into 3 by 4. Right? Now here in this case you see 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it is 4 by 4 parts. It is 4 by 4. 4 by 4 is equal to 1. Right? That is equal to 1 part. 4 by 4 means 1 part. Right? This is 1 part. 1 whole. That is whole. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is also 4 by 4. That is 1. This is 1. This is 1. 1 plus 1. Right? Plus here you see that 2, that 1 part is shaded out of 4. It is 1 by 4. It is 1 by 4. 1 by 4. That means if we add these numbers, the 1 plus 1, that is 2. That is 2 whole 1 by 4. That comes to 2 whole 1 by 4. Right? That means here you will find that 3 whole 3 by 4 is equal to 2 whole 1 by 4. Right? Here whole part, that is 4 by 4 is 1. 4 by 4 is 1. And it is out of 4 part, 1 part is shaded 1 by 4. That is 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1 by 4, that is 2 whole 1 by 4. Right? That means here you find 3 into 3 by 4 is equal to 2 whole 3 into 3 by 4. 1, 2, 3. That is 3 to 3 by 4 is equal to 2 whole 1 by 4. That is question number 3. Right? Now this one I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of 5 parts, 1 part is shaded, therefore it is 1 by 5. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of 5 parts, 1 part is shaded, that is 1 by 5. And here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 1 part is shaded, that is 1 by 5. If we add all the numbers, 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5, what you will get? You will get 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5, that is 3 into 1 by 5. That is get 3 into 1 by 5. 3 into 1 by 5. Right? Here also you say that is out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, out of 5 parts, 3 parts are shaded. The 3 by 5. That is 3 by 5. And it is also here you see, if you multiply this number 3 into 1, that is 3 1 is 3 by 5. That is also equal to 3 by 5. both are same, right? That means we can say that 3 whole 1 by 5, not 3 whole, 3 into 1 by 5, or you can say that 3 into 1 by 5, 3 into 1 by 5 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5. 3 by 5. This is case number 1, right? That is 2 is for A, 3 is for B, and C is for 1, and C is for 1, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.